स्टार्ट करें?
पहले बैठने के लिए
मैडम आप अनाउंस कर दीजिए ना सबको बैठने के लिए.
Everybody, please take your respective seats. We'll begin shortly. Everybody, please take your seats. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of CSIR Central Road Research Institute, it is a privilege to warmly welcome all the distinguished dignitaries, scientists, our former CRRI colleagues, industry partners, guests, and media to the CSIR CRRI Foundation Day celebration and the inauguration of its Platinum Jubilee year.
I, Amim Altaf Nabi, scientist, along with Dr. Meenal Chandra, principal scientist, have the pleasure of hosting today's program. Well, today marks another milestone in the remarkable journey of CSIR CRRI since its establishment in 1952. The institute has been at the forefront of research and innovation both in road and transportation engineering. As we celebrate our Foundation Day today, we also embark upon the Platinum Jubilee year, commemorating 75 years of scientific excellence, technological innovation, and dedicated service to nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, Union Minister of State for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, whose vision and encouragement continue to inspire India's scientific community, along with Dr. N. Kalai Selvi Ma'am, Director General CSIR and Secretary DSIR. We also welcome Dr. Harendra Singh Bisht, Director CSIR IIP Dehradun. We are very happy to have with us the former directors of CSIR CRRI. Today we have here Dr. Vikram Singh, Professor Sikdar, Dr. S. Gangopadhyay, Dr. Vikram Kumar, pardon me, Dr. S. Gangopadhyay, Dr. Ranjana Agarwal, and Dr. Manoranjan Parida. We also extend a very warm welcome to Sri Mahendra Kumar Gupta, Joint Secretary of CSIR. I also welcome all the colleagues from headquarters and other respected dignitaries. To invoke the blessings of the divine and symbolize the triumph of knowledge over ignorance, I request our distinguished dignitaries to kindly join us for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ
Thank you all. We shall now welcome our honorable chief guests and distinguished dignitaries. May I request Director CRRI Dr. Ravi Shekhar to kindly present a bouquet and a plant sapling to Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh as a token of our warm welcome. Please, sir. May I also request Director CRRI to kindly welcome Dr. N. Kalai Selvi, DG, CSIR and Secretary DSIR. Thank you so much, sir. Now to take us through the remarkable journey of CSIR CRRI from 1952 to 2026, I now invite Dr. Ravi Shekhar, Director CSIR CRRI, to please present a presentation, sir. Please.
Good afternoon to all. Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Science and Technology and Earth Science, Vice President of India, Vice President of CSIR, respected Dr. N. Kalai Selvi Madam, Director General, CSIR, Secretary DSR, my colleague, Director IIP Dehradun, Dr. Harindra Singh Bishri Ji, respected former directors, CSIR CRRI, and Madam, I am the 17th director, 16th directors earlier than me. So all directors, I welcome all the directors, Professor Manoranjan Paridar sir, Dr. Gangopadhyay ji, and Dr. Vikram Kumar ji, and all then directors, respected directors, and directors of CSIR laboratories in Delhi, Joint Secretary Shri Mahendra Kumar Gupta ji, and the senior officials from CSIR headquarters, distinguished guests, industry partners, members of the Research Council, colleagues from CSIR, scientists of CRRI, staff members, students, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you to CSIR Central Road Research Institute on the historic occasion of the inauguration of our Platinum Jubilee celebration. I am pleased to present our journey, 75 years of building India's road network, leading innovation in sustainable and smart transportation. With the permission of the chief guest, I would like to present CRRI journey, 75 years journey. Sir, it was established 1950, construction started in the 1952 it was started, sir, establishment, and laying the bedrock for national network. 1960 our CRRI started as a national capacity, and 1970 we started expansion of origin. Particularly we started the work of the fly ash application in road, like in a subgrade and also returning wall, geotechnical and environment we have started. And 1980 engineering for the masses, rural road industrial waste we have started in the 1980 era. And the digital shift planning 1990, this was started during the then director Professor P.K. Sigdar sir, and I was joined at that time. 1999 2001 I joined. So it's a mega projects we have started the sustainability of era, and 2000 it was started, and also 2010 a smart infrastructure and digital monitoring. This is shifting towards the application of intelligent transportation system. And after that 2020 we started as the global leaderships, particularly circular economy. This is a journey of the last 70 years. So each decade have the importance, a milestone are there. So due to time limitation, I am not discussing about the main decade, but particularly I will summarize the recent technologies which were developed by CRRI from since 1952. More than 60 technologies we have developed, but I am just presentation here only few technologies which are successfully implemented on various road networks. So recent technology and innovations, particularly coming to the noise barriers, frequency of the noise barriers, patch fill, pothole repair machine, mobile cold mixer cum paver, and road embankment applications, and road asset management bridge audit, health monitoring system. So sir, we are bridge health monitoring. We have done more than 6,000 bridges we have done in India, pan-India level. More than 300 bridges of the like railway bridges we have done, sir. And the steel slag roads, waste to wealth, EcoFix pothole repair machine. This is like reducing the cost of the 29% of the saving. And biobitumen, we have technology transfer to 23 companies. And today we are technology transfer to 22 companies. So total it is 25 companies we are technology transfer done, sir, biobitumen. And MSS Plus today you have launched, sir, steel slag based pothole patching machine. And AI vehicle artificial intelligence application for the automatic vehicle counting and classification, and pave seal and geocell applications, particularly in the waste of the waste plastic application in the road in subgrade, and residue pit and residue pave, sir. These are the successful technologies done by implemented in various road networks in India, sir. Coming to other major studies done by CRRI, I told already the fly ash studies were started in 1970, sir, and one of the important study done by CRRI is road user cost study, and after that there is a big study done by CRRI, Indian Highway Capacity Manual. This is sponsored by the CSIR, sir, and comprehensive mobility plan. We have done more than 23 cities comprehensive mobility plan. Recently we have done 5 cities in Rajasthan state. And we have developed the manual for the PWD engineers for Madhya Pradesh, and we have trained already 1,500 engineers of the Madhya Pradesh. Carbon avoidance study and trip generation manual. This is a unique manual in India. Earlier we don't have any kind of the trip generation manual. It will give an idea how many vehicles will come on the road. So once any building and infrastructure will be developed, this is very much useful, sir. And another one is artificial intelligence application for road safety. We have applied in Nagpur and in urban roads, sir, and also we have done application in the interurban roads. And Hyderabad and surrounding to the Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Nagpur roads we have implemented, sir. And urban road traffic and air pollution. This is a major auto fuel policy which was done in the 2000, sir. And recently we have like published the manual and given to the Council of Air Quality and Management paving and greening manual, because the problem of the NCR and Delhi states have the dust pollution. Dust pollution, we recently have the like MOU and MOA with the Chief Secretary level, and also the State CM, Delhi State CM, we have like done MOA with the like reducing the dust pollution in NCR region, sir. Another one is that electrical vehicle charging infrastructure station. So we have developed the software where we have to provide the like charging infrastructure station in anywhere. We have implemented more than 10 cities this software, sir. Another one, not only in road payment, we have done airfield payment engineering, like payment management system for airports. We have done more than 20 airports payment management system study was done, sir. Now coming to this, sir, BioBinder. BioBinder, already I told, BioBinder technology transferred industry partners. With your presence also 2 times we have done, sir, in the month of January 2026 and March 2026, sir. Now we are again doing the 3rd time with your presence, sir. And this is the major like pan-India level technology transferred. Not only one particular state, more than 12 states we had technology transferred to the various states, sir. Another one, successful application of EcoFix, steel slag based instant pothole repair. So this technology was implemented in 9 states, including the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Delhi and Maharashtra. So this is a ready-made, industrial waste used in the road repair material, instant road repair techniques, sir. With your presence we have done, and also not only technology development board has provided financial support to establishment of a new EcoFix manufacturing plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So not only the Indian patent, we have submitted for the US patent. Coming to, sir, this is a summary about the implementation of standard framework for paving and greening. Urban roads in the NCR region, 4 states, their problem facing of the dust pollution. To reduce the dust pollution, we have devised the manual. Then Director Professor Manoranjan Paridasar have started the journey. Like we have submitted the manual. After that, we have have a MOU with them, and also we have got the money from them and all the 4 NCR states. And we have started the work, sir. This is one of the biggest project in CRRI last 70 years. 45 crores project we have received, but at the same time we have the like the pressure from the all four state government. This technology to be implemented, you are inaugurated today network survey vehicle. So that vehicle will be utilized to collect the data in the all four states, and also development of the software, and not only development of software, modular based. It is a 4 module. One module is the comparing with the road cross sections. Another one is the greening and paving and greening. For example, any missing of plants on medians or shoulders, or maybe outside of the embankment. And after that, we are collecting the deterioration of the road, and we are estimating the payment condition index. After that, we are based on the payment condition index, we are suggesting the various technologies, cold mix technology, hot mix technology, other which were technology developed 14 technology by CRRI, that will be suggested in the software. So which technology to be suitable for the particular road network. So this is the major project, sir. And another one is that in future we would like to focus into local to global. We started our journey from the local and we reached to the national level, our journey to reach to the global level. So we have the set of targets, short term and long term. The short term is research and innovation. Definitely without development of research or lab level study, we cannot go to the lab innovation on, without innovation we cannot implement on the land level. So lab to land is more important. So after that, technology transfer another important. Once you done for the lab to land, it is a small scale level, then you have to go for the mass scale level without help of the industrial partner. Technology transfer, today we have we have more than 7 technologies we are transferring today. So without industry partners, our journey cannot be completed to reach the common man. So start with the lab, land, and also technology transfer to the mass level. So that is the main important, sir. Capacity collaboration, not only doing research inside, we have a collaboration MOE with the IITs, NITs, and various institutes in the country. So, and infrastructure processing and improvement, sir. This is our goal in the first 1-3 years. Already we have done, and we are also extend further. Long-term achievement, global leadership in road research, that is more important because we have to understand what other countries are doing, what kind of the research is required for the India. So this is more important than understanding, doing continuously our own research. That is thing, smart, resilient, sustainable infrastructure, and circular economy. We have done waste to wealth, more than 20 different material in India, waste to wealth material we have done, and the national building and societal impact. Sir, with this, I would like to, because this arena is artificial intelligence was started in 1960, but it was not done more research. And 10 years back, it was developed like anything, like Vishwarupa. So, now we have lot of tools of the artificial intelligence, sir. So with this, I would like to continue. This is our model aim. Like any city or any road, or maybe any kind of the urban road, or maybe interurban road, with having the public transportation system, encouraging the public transportation system and private transportation system, the composition should be equally, should be dominated by public transportation system and also non-motorized transportation system. So this is ideal cross section to be considered for the India as well as the urban and interurban. Then only the pollution level and the dust level will be controlled, sir. So with this, I would like to thank you all. Yeah, sir.
Portable measurement device for glare and light measurement. Right now, the glare, human, this is human is for light and it tries to light. So it basically eye for measurement of, it measures the light at the eye level. This is for glare measurement. Yes.
पुराना वाला वो न्यू वाला नहीं है सर, न्यू वाला नहीं है, न्यू वाला नहीं है।
No, it is for audit purpose. Not roads of the vehicle, for measurement, for the road auditing. For example, you have to audit the road lighting and the glare at the eye level of driver. That will demonstrate. Yes, sir. So differential is around. Yes, sir. Differential is around 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs is differential is outside as.
In the transportation law, is there any legal provision to penalize?
Sir, right now there is no legal provision.
So what are we going to serve them?
Sir, then we will make a code, IFC code, and that will do. Yes. Sir, on this we have also developed the transfer technique.
We have reservation. Okay. The transport management by
Which is implemented. Sir, there are two things. One is measurement, another is mitigation. So this measurement basically will be used in automobiles, automobile
you
industry.
are doing for whom?
Automobiles. Automobiles and road auditing.
Why, you can't go and simply install in an automobile.
Yes, sir.
There are certain Motor Vehicle Act is
Yes,
there
sir,
in
yes.
place in this country.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Somebody will go and take a stay order.
Yes,
So we have to have them on the board.
yes, sir. Sir, and in fact, sir, we are in talk with Honda and Steelbird industry for this implementation.
That is okay, but
Sir,
the
sir,
act has to be also in
also,
congruence.
on board with MORTH, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, for its implementation through IRC.
Ultimately, you have to have the endorsement of the act
Yes.
and find out what are their cutoffs. We can't be determining subjectively.
Sir, for example, sir, in tunnels, if you go to JNK, the light is 500 lux. But there we won't see the glare because differential is not much.
Sir, one more at the end, sir. Last slide. Sir, sir, with the at the end, what I would like to suggest, sir, like what are the technologies were successfully implemented? 15 technologies, 24 technologies. So, would like to disseminate in a, we have identified throughout the year-long program we have done for the 16 year planner will be released today. So, we are disseminating these technologies and also with various stakeholders in different locations of the city, sir. So, we are starting with Jammu with the help of the IIT Jammu, and we are demonstrating these technologies to various places, and PWD engineers will understand our technologies and they would like to implement in the future, sir. That is our target. 16 cities we are identified. That was like given in the planner, sir. That can be done today itself, sir. So with this, thank you so much for your. Thank you also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for beautifully reflecting upon the CRRI journey and achievements. It is now my proud privilege to invite Dr. N. Kalai Selvi ma'am, Director General CSIR and Secretary DSIR, to address the gathering. Ma'am, we are eagerly waiting to hear from you.
Namaskar, Vanakkam, and pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you. I'm extremely happy today because this is the very important foundation day. You are planning for the next 1 year to celebrate it in a grand manner, and therefore whenever we do any celebration, the celebration will not get fulfilled without the presence of Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and Vice President of CSIR, who is the strong pillar of support. And sir, thank you very much for your continuous support, sustained support, motivation. And sir, we always admire the way you really support us, you encourage us, and you ask many thought-provoking questions, and you make us to think in a much more deeper manner, not just get restricted with the scientific innovation, but also we should think beyond how best these technologies could be implemented in real time. The best example is the kind of questions that you are posing. How are we going to succeed in getting this particular technology implemented in real time across different states of the country? Sir, CSIR will always remain grateful to you for this kind of a very, very valuable guidance, support, and your gracious presence in all our very important celebrations. Thank you very much, sir. And I wish to congratulate CRRI team. I'm really extremely happy because this is one great celebration wherein along with the present director, 5 to 6 former directors of CRRI, irrespective of your age, just driven by your passion, all of you are making it possible to attend it physically here. this kind of passion, this kind of one CSIR family, this kind of a motivation, this kind of a continuous support from the former directors, it really gives us new confidence and new strength. So Team CRRI, you are extremely blessed because ministry is also always supporting. Along with our minister, other ministers are also, whether it is Morth minister or agriculture minister or even the state minister, all the ministers in total, I can say the entire government of India setup is completely encouraging you, and therefore you should make use of this opportunity in your favor. And sir, I'm extremely happy to share that today CSIR is proudly announcing the society that in India itself, around 1,200 kilometers of roads are having monitored, implemented CSIR CRRI's technology. To be very specific, if you just take Steel Slag Road, around 280 kilometers in India, in around 5 different states, steel slag roads are already implemented using CSIR CRRI's technology. And RejuPave technology, it crosses 600 kilometers. And sir, we are so proud that MSS Plus technology, which you inaugurated as a mobile technology, this has been already, it is time tested, proven. 3.5 years back or 4.5 years back, I think 4.5 years back, the state of Uttar Pradesh threw a challenge to CSIR that can you come up with a kind of a crack-free road in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And it is this lab who really made one demonstration at one particular stretch. And the government of Uttar Pradesh really tested it in real time. And they took even the opinion from the general public. The road is not even giving any crack till this time, irrespective of any kind of a transport, any kind of a climate change. And based on that kind of a result, now we got a huge order. And this technology, MSS Plus technology, is giving coverage across 3 different states across the country. And we are going to complete 280 plus kilometers using this particular technology alone. So putting together, whether it is a steel slag or RejuPave or MSS Plus, it is 1,180 plus kilometers of the roads of India. They have just adopted CRRI's technology. But my CRRI team, I'll tell you, this 1,000 plus kilometers is not our target. Our target is 1/3 of the Indian roads should follow only CRRI's technology. So when we proudly say 1/3 of the global market is the size of the Indian market, you should allow the DG CSIR to proudly say in the platform, general platform and the open platform that 1/3 of the Indian roads are being monitored, being implemented, being governed, maintained by CRRI technology. I look forward that particular day. And I'm sure you will definitely not disappoint CSIR, not disappoint the country, not disappoint anyone in the society, because you have already proven, and I'm so confident. And I wish all of you all the very best to do that particular thing. So coming to this EcoFix, I already requested Honorable Minister, and Honorable Minister has already given his consent, and he has already informed other ministries also to implement this EcoFix technology. Now Honorable Minister will put in a word so that even in the national capital Delhi also this year we'll try to get it implemented across Delhi roads also, our EcoFix technology. Because no sir, so far we have already sold out and in many cases exported more than 3 lakh bags of EcoFix. Meaning is it has reached other countries also, including the United States of America, where the US Maritime, they have agreed upon and they started implementing our technology. So this is the kind of the bandwidth, the reach, and among many CSIR laboratories, this laboratory is always giving lot of proud moments to CSIR, because whenever we say any technology of CSIR should not get restricted with the country, it should always have a reach to the global standards and global acceptance, global implementation, for which the road technologies of CRRI is the best example. And I wish all of you all the very best. Please make use of all the supports which are available. And I take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you, all the former directors, present director, and the entire team of CSIR, and more importantly, the industry partners and the technology partners, because the trust, the confidence, the belief that you show on us, that really gives a lot of motivation. And now we have series of technologies, and we will be going on releasing like the way missiles and satellites are getting released from ISRO. So with these few words, thank you so very much and namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words and visionary leadership. We now arrive at a truly historic moment in today's celebration, the official commencement of CSIR CRRI Platinum Jubilee Year, marking 75 years of excellence, innovation, and dedicated service to the nation.
May I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, to kindly join us for various commemorative launches lined up for today. We start with the inauguration of CSIR CRRI Platinum Jubilee logo, symbolizing the beginning of a year-long celebration of the Institute's remarkable legacy and vision for the future.
So the logo goes Sadak Vidyan se Rashtra Nirman. Next is the release of CSIR CRRI Platinum Jubilee Planner, outlining the activities and events planned during the landmark year.
Next, we have the release of CSIR CRRI Annual Report 2025-26, showcasing the Institute's scientific achievements, innovations, and contributions over the past year. We are releasing the CSIR CRRI Annual Report for the year 2025-26.
We now move to another exciting segment of today's program, showcasing some of the CSIR CRRI's latest technological innovations, industry collaborations, and milestones in the technology transfer. May I request our honorable chief guest and all concerned to release the teaser of MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro plant and documentary highlighting the journey and large-scale implementation of this indigenous technology.
roads are the lifelines of a nation's growth. Yet, conventional road surfacing methods often demand high energy, extensive logistics, costly operations, and significant carbon emissions. The challenge is clear. How do we build durable roads faster, smarter, and more sustainably? Introducing the MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro, a revolutionary mobile road surfacing plant designed for the next generation of sustainable infrastructure. Powered by modified mixed seal surfacing technology, designed by CSIR CRRI and developed by JMVD Industries and Ashoka Engineering Works.
This is a fully automated plant designed for the larger scale implementation of modified mixed seal surfacing technology. MSS Plus technology helps in faster road construction, better surface quality, and longer payment life for low volume roads.
The MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro features an advanced 3-bin feeding system for aggregates of MSS Plus technology, carrying crushed stone dust 6 mm and 10 mm aggregates. Materials are proportioned automatically and blended with specially formulated modified bitumen emulsion for MSS Plus application. Unlike conventional hot mix asphalt plant emitting GHG emission, MSS Plus operates at ambient temperatures, eliminating the need for heating aggregates and bitumen. The result is perfectly engineered mix produced directly at the work site, built on a fully mobile platform. MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro can be transported directly to project locations. No permanent plant setup, no lengthy preparation, no fuel-intensive heating operations. The machine produces and delivers the mix continuously, reducing project timelines while ensuring consistent quality. Roads can be surfaced faster, minimizing traffic disruptions and maximizing productivity.
MSS Plus Smart Pro is a fully automatic mobile mixing plant developed for in-situ preparation of modified mixed seal surfacing mix at ambient temperature. This plant minimizes the requirement of large-size hot mix plant for road construction purposes. Besides that, it also reduces the greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere.
MSS Plus has expanded across Uttar Pradesh, covering a total of 201 km in districts including Lucknow, Sultanpur, Barabanki, Gonda, Rai Bareli and Prayagraj. In recognition of the outstanding scientific contribution and the transformative impact on road infrastructure across Uttar Pradesh, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji, extended his heartfelt appreciation to the team of CSIR CRRI for the development and successful deployment of the MSS Plus modified mix seal surfacing technology.
For a very important reason of their very unique technology, which is MSS Plus technology, which is an energy efficient technology by means of which we are able to come up with very sustainable, reliable, strong enough and durable roads by consuming very less amount of energy.
MSS Plus offers multiple advantages: lower energy consumption, reduced carbon emissions, superior durability. By eliminating the need for high temperature production, MSS Plus contributes significantly toward greener and more sustainable road infrastructure. Aligned with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of sustainable development, circular economy and world-class infrastructure, CSIR CRRI's MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro is redefining road construction through innovation, efficiency and environmental stewardship, building the roads of a greener, stronger and Vikasit Bharat.
MSS Plus Smart Mix Pro technology, I'd like to invite the industry partners and the inventor on the stage. I invite Mr. Ravi Shankar Jaiswal, Director from JMVD Industries Private Limited, and Mr. Satish Panchal, Director from Ashok Road Equipment Manufacturers India Private Limited on the stage, along with inventor Mr. Satish Pandey, Scientist G from CSIR CRRI.
So this would be a quick photo session. We request all the industry members to please be ready, along with the inventors as well.
Now for the product launch of Lumetra, I humbly request Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji to unveil Lumetra and invite Shri Hitesh Sharma, Shri Tarun Vats and Shri Harsh Vats of Accurate Optics, Panchkula, Haryana, along with CSIR CRRI development team led by Dr. Vinod Karar, Ms. Kamini Gupta and Dr. A. Mohan Roy to join us on the dais. Next, for the technology of PAVE seal, I invite Mr. Jatin Chomil, Legal Head from Bitumix India LLP Assam, and inventors Dr. Reena Singh, Scientist F, and Dr. Siksha Swarupa Kar, Scientist F, on the dais. Next in line are the industries for biobitumen from Goet Biorefinery and GWC Asphalt Assam. Please stay ready for coming on the dais. I invite Dr. Atul Ranjan, Head BDG CSIR IIP, to please come on the dais before the technology transfers of the biobitumen, along with Dr. Harendra Singh Bisht, Director CSIR IIP, Dehradun, to please come on the dais, sir. I invite Mr. Shubham Goyat and Sudesh Kumar from Goet Biorefinery LLP Haryana, along with inventors from CRRI Dr. G. Bharat, Scientist E, Dr. Ambika Behel, Scientist F, and inventors from IIP Dr. VCS Palla and Dr. Jitendra Singh.
हाँ ये बोल कर
Thank you all. So now it's time for memorandum of understanding. So the two parties involved now are CSIR CRRI and Conscious Mind Solutions Private Limited, Uttar Pradesh. May I quickly request Ms. Kamini Gupta and Dr. A. Mohan Rao to please join us on stage, along with company officials Dr. Ritikesh Ritu and Anju. Yeah, please. It's a quick photograph session, so I request you to please join us. Yeah, Conscious Mind team, please join us on stage. Huge round of applause. Next in line, we are signing an MOU with National Institute of Construction Management and Research, Delhi NCR. I would request the company officials Dr. Amit Goyal, Dr. Amit Sahu and Dr. Hemant Bhanwat to please join us on stage, along with Ms. Kamini Gupta and Dr. A. Mohan Rao, the CRRI team. Thank you so much. Now it's time for memorandums of agreement. I would call upon Hanu AI Private Limited, New Delhi. So, company officials Prerna Kalra and Rahul Kalra to please join us on stage, along with the PL, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Scientist GPED. Please, sir. So, the project title is Development of AI-powered System for Near Real-Time Pavement Condition Index on Portable Devices. Huge round of applause. Thank you all. Next in line is Jaisa Scientific Instruments, New Delhi. I would request Mr. Sunny Rajbahar, along with the project leader Dr. Akash Gupta, Scientist DPED, to please join us on stage. Thank you so much. Next in line is TechFab India Industries Limited, Telangana. I request Mr. Saurabh Vyas and Mr. Sachin Mehta to please join us on stage, along with the project leader, Shri Vishnuvarendra Mandala, Scientist GT, and Dr. Kanwar Singh, Scientist GT on stage. Please. So the project title is Development of Connection Test Setup for RS Wall Facing Panel Connections. Huge round of applause, please. Next in line, we have Terra Climate Tech Private Limited, Rajasthan. I request company officials Mr. Abhishek Singh and Mr. Sanjay Maheshwari to please join us on stage, along with Dr. Ambika Bahal, Scientist FPD Division. So the project title is Development of Integrated Agricultural Biomass Conversion Technology and Pathways for Sustainable Production of Bio-Based Materials and Carbon Sequestration. Thank you so much. Finally, a photo session with the Asia Book of Records awardees recognizing the remarkable achievements that bring pride to the institute. May I request Dr. A.K. Sinha, sir, to please join us on stage, along with the Asia Book Record members, Ms. Lata Tak and Shiv Kumar Singla. Please, ma'am. I would also request Hindustan Limited team to please join us on stage.
Thank you, sir. With this, we have come to the end of product launch and all the photo sessions. Now we move on to the felicitation of our guests. As a token of our deep gratitude and appreciation, it is now our honor to felicitate our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji. May I request Dr. Ravi Shekhar, Director, CSIR CRRI, to kindly present the memento to him.
May I also request Director CRRI to kindly felicitate Dr. N. Kalai Selvi, DG CSIR and Secretary DSIR. Please, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now the most awaited moment of today's celebration. So we have asked you to click a lot of pictures today. So now it's time that we hear from you as well. It is my immense privilege to invite Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of State, Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. He needs no introduction. Please, sir.
Thank you, Director General Dr. Kalai Selvi, Dr. Ravi Sekhar, Dr. Ravinder, all the former directors, members of the faculty, industry partners, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I have to congratulate the director and the entire team for the Platinum Jubilee celebrations, as was being depicted by him in the brief presentation that he made. So it's been a very eventful journey over the last 75 years, and a lot of wishful thinking happening on this occasion. So picking up from what the DG was saying, she certainly made the wish that tomorrow she should, in addition to being called DG CSIR, should also be known as DG of the Roads of India. So while all of us wish that happens, because that will be a feather in the cap of each one of us. So I'm also glad that over the last few years we have been able to showcase and reach out to our stakeholders about what all is happening in our institutes, in our labs. And I'm glad that when the Director General took over, I suggested to her for 1 year we should have a program called 1 week, 1 lab, so that each lab at least realizes what's its success story, and then 1 theme and 1 week, so that all the labs integrate. And because unfortunately I noticed in the beginning that even within the ministry, though we have 3 wings, the Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, and the CSIR, there was not much of integration happening in spite of the common themes. Not of course the road themes, but for example like genes. So CSIR also working in genes, DBT also working in genes, DBT in a different way through AI and quantum, and still not integrating. So I'm glad that we have also, as was being shown in the presentation made by Dr. Sekhar, succeeded in reaching out. And this is not meant only for our publicity, but also meant to make others understand what do we have to offer. And since this government, and Prime Minister Modi himself, since he's taken over, we are very forthcoming to ally with the private sector, the non-government sector, so all the more reason that they know what we have to offer. And for that, the outreach has to be aggressive and also right from the beginning, because at the end of the day, a smart businessman will only look forward to how much money he makes out of it. In needness of the whatever is written in the MOU, the knowledge partners, this partner, that partner, but they will BJ mein kitna paisa aayega. So we should be ready to accommodate them in case we have to move on, because it can't happen all alone. And I think ideally, before even we start working on technology, we could identify the industry partner right from beginning, so that if the industry partner asks us to modify the project, we should be willing to do so, because they are working on the ground. Otherwise, it may not be possible for us to sustain. So I'm glad that the CRRI, one can say, is India's premier institute dedicated to roads, bridges, transportation, pavement technologies, as we saw just now. And the last 12 years have been years of an unprecedented infrastructure growth under the Modi government. If you have a glance at the figures, you will realize in 2014, India's national highways, or the highways, measured just about 91,287 kilometers. Over a decade, it has gone up to 1,46,572 kilometers, means more than 60% increase. Similarly, the number of airports was 74, today it is 165, more than double. And the number of railway stations was about 7,100, today it is nearly 7,500. And then there are smart city programs. So much of it happening, and so much of expectation also from institutes like CRRI, and also an opportunity for institutes like CRRI to make their contribution, to make their worth realize. And CRRI has a unique mandate as well as opportunity to develop the technology and also then design its implementation. Steel slag roads, as was being mentioned by Dr. Kalai Selvi, across the country, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Arunachal, she said nearly 300 kilometers has been. But I think if you take the overall measure of the highways, which stands at almost 1,46,000 or more than that, then we need to rather scale up. And for that, I think we have to reach out to the states. I'm glad, Dr. Sekhar, because last time when we met, I said I come, because I travel 2-3 states every week. And I I am quite passionate about learning and also finding good listeners to listen to my nonsense. So I was telling him that many of these states, I found the engineers, the government departments were not aware of your EcoFix and other things. Even steel sag, for example, I was traveling in a hill state, was states like Arunachal, states like Himachal, Uttarakhand. So I happened to come across one of the chief engineers and I said, why don't you use steel sag? He said, no, we've not been told about it. Because in the government sector, the mindset is if you are told, you are told. You don't ask to be told. You know, because I am also from the non-government sector, so I can, but one who's been a bureaucrat for 20, 30 years, he waits to be told. Otherwise, status quo is a very convenient posture, also very comfortable and very safe also. Promotion to time pe ho hi jayega. So I think we need to tell them and make them realize. So what we could do, as I also suggested fatally last time, you could hold a video conference and we could arrange that. Dr. Kalai Salvi as DG and also Secretary Government of India has the mandate to ask the road secretaries of all these states to get connected and also connect the concerned chief engineers. So it's not difficult in these days. So unless we have the series of those, we won't be able to. And if you do that, you just see your 300 kilometer will just scale up, because 300 kilometer out of 1,47,000 is not much of it. It's just a small fraction of what it is. Of course, the biobinders, the EcoFix. In fact, I only spoke to the minister in the government of Delhi. They were not aware of this EcoFix. So I said, in a busy town like Delhi, heavy traffic over here, and then they got quite excited. Now Dr. Kalai Salvi was asking me to put it in a word again, which I shall do immediately after I move out of here. So I think there is ease of work, there is ease of life for the citizen also through all these technologies and these mobile bridge inspection, and now you are also into AI-driven road transport facilities, that e-Raste I was going through, which might contribute in reducing the number of road accidents, and also into training. The geotechnical engineering is a new. Only this morning, in Niti Aayog, I made a suggestion and they've accepted it to introduce a new first ever course in India of biology engineering, because that was a biotechnology session. That will be the first time happening in India. So maybe BTech. So similarly, geotechnical engineering is also relatively a newer stream, which could be of also, because overall, I believe you already trained about 35,000 engineers and so on. So now, where do those engineers go? That also you have to have a track record, which sometimes they have in the West. Where have all they gone? After having got trained in your sophisticated high-tech technologies, they ended up in a PWD department doing what their seniors had been doing? Or are they actually in positions where they can utilize these technologies? So if we get that feedback, then we know how to reorient our courses to suit the takers in the market. Yes, and I must congratulate you for the transport-related solutions, whether it's the noise pollution, the dust mitigation. But again, I think we'll have to reach out to the transport authorities to make them realize that, look here, we have. The point is, if they know that you have, they may reach out to you. But if they don't know, they will not. And if they don't know that they don't know, then what to do? If they don't know, but they know that it is there, they might reach. But if they don't know that they don't know, nothing will happen. So you have to first make them know that, look here are we from whom you can know. So we are already collaborating with Morth in a big way, and Morth has been very collaborative. We are also now collaborating with the steel industry for the steel side. So we are also contributing to this waste to wealth concept. And I'm glad that we have made the many of the countrymen realize the cost of the waste. Because I was speaking to the Morth ministry, the first lot they gave us free of cost. They said, "Aisi padha le jaiye." When we asked them, and when somebody gave them the feedback, look, they are constructing massive roads. Now they started charging. But don't worry, that means we have a success. No, that is a compliment. That means our success has been recognized. The same thing happened in the Dr. Bish Institute. When they started using this cooking oil, this cooked oil for reuse, They were paying just, I suggested you go to the housewives, not from the municipal kitchen, so that the housewife will get a vacant. Why they are paying me for this oil which I had to put down the drain. So we started 5 years back or 6 years back, I think it was 20 rupees kg. Now she is demanding 80 rupees per kg. 80? 70, yeah. So she also realized her worth. And she realized the worth of the waste that she was creating in the kitchen. So I think certainly we are making a contribution in a larger way, which of course is a service to nation, to make the people awakened about all these newer understanding and newer concepts. And so I think what is now important for us is to scale up, and to scale up we would like to have more and more of industry partnership. For that, I think again you could have frequent industry meets. As we have started, I started in DST, I only suggested, and I personally also went. We had a big industry meet in Chandigarh, one in Mumbai, one in Bengaluru, one of course in Delhi, and then recently in CSIR we arranged an industry meet for the aroma leaders. There's something which doesn't occur to us. You have a huge aroma mission and a huge flori mission. So I told your director, he arranged, and I was amazed. We have a lot of aroma stakeholders in the industry. So they were very big business houses traveling all the way. And then they can tell us how to modify this. So similarly, you could also go on to the road industry leaders. And so before I end, while again, once again complimenting you, I think this CRRI has also opportunity to serve more than one of the national goals envisaged by the Modi government. You are doing vocal for local, you are doing Atmanirbhar Bharat, you are doing jobs and new revenues, you are doing adding to the overall economy, you are also working for the environment protection, and of course finally for the human health by way of protecting the road accidents and all. So shall we say, as I said, the DG CSIR will also be DG roads, can we also wish that the road to Viksit Bharat will go via CRRI?
Thank you, sir, for the inspiring and thought-provoking address. Your words will undoubtedly motivate all of us to continue pursuing innovation, excellence, and service of the nation. Now, to propose the vote of thanks, I invite Dr. Kathya Ravinder, Scientist G, and Head ILT Division. So, please.
Thank you. Honorable Minister, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, on the dais, and Madam DG Madam Kalai Selvi Ji, and Director CSIR CRRI, Dr. C.H. Ravishekhar, and all our directors, and the officials from the CSIR, and all the retirees who came to witness this event, and my colleagues. Good afternoon to everybody. First, I would like to propose vote of thanks to Honorable Minister. Sir, your inspiring words are always there. We will be remembering next Foundation Day. In the last Foundation Day, Madam told this is the one technology. By the time next Foundation Day, I expect minimum 3. So now we are producing about more than 3. It is a 5 times of the promise. So I would like to thank the Minister, Honorable Minister, for all the way he taken out the time and given the inspiring words. Definitely, sir, we will be reaching out the industry as well as the stakeholders, those who are the ground implementing agencies. I would like to propose vote of thanks to our Madam, Director General Madam, and Kalai Selvi Madam. In the same last year, 16th July, she asked, next time when I visit, I want 3 technologies. So thank you, Madam. So we have produced the more than 3, is about 3 times this time. And also, always dil mange more. So now she told, next time when she comes, she want to be implemented more than 1,000 kilometers. Certainly, Madam, we will keep your words in our mind. And I would like to thank Director. Recently, a day back, the parliamentary standing committees came. About 13 honorable MPs were came, and they are so happy the arrangement as well as the work progress going on, and they complimented, and the chairperson, the chairperson told personally to director, I'll visit again. So please wait, I will visit again, I have to catch the flight. So definitely we are waiting for our visit. I would like to thank all our directors who are very seen each step-by-step growth, especially last 4 directors. They have guided it, and also they framed the vision. The same torchlight is taken by our present director. So he always gives backup as well as the encouraging words. And these last 1 week is very hectic to him. In spite of the schedule, busy schedule, he has to attend busy meetings also. I would like to thank, big round of applause to the directors, past directors. I would like to thank all the officials from CSIR who have taken their time in the scorching heat. So thanks to our all CSIR officials and the media and my colleagues who are tirelessly working for this moment. And I would like to thank all the divisions in CRRI. They have given their bit. I have no time to give the division by division. Thank you very much, and thank you all.
Thank you, sir. With this, we conclude today's Foundation Day celebration and the inauguration of the Platinum Jubilee year of CSIR CRRI.
May I request all to please rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
We sincerely thank our honorable chief guest, distinguished dignitaries, industry partners, collaborators, and all participants for making this celebration truly memorable. Thank you all and have a pleasant afternoon.